blanks slide into specialized presses that shape the 911's classic dome profile. The press closes.
The 911's door frames, known for their tight tolerances, come out of multi-stage forming lines. Each press shapes edges, folds reinforcements.
A robotic arm equipped with laser scanners maps each stamped part in 3D. The digital model compares against. Proof panels are sorted into rotating vertical carousels. When assembly requires a part, the carousel spins and delivers it to the welding line automatically.
The freshly stamped panels reach the assembly hall where the 911's skeletal structure begins taking shape. Workers lay.
The main underbody arrives, floor panels, crossmember, and tunnel reinforcements. Robotic welders secure each part in place with rapid-fire precision welds.
The heat map shows consistent distribution right here at the joint.
Looks good. We are clear for the next sequence.
The spacing here seems consistent.
Yes, reading exactly as specified. I am inputting the data now.
Robots apply adhesive between hood layers before crimping them together. The double-layer structure ensures strength and optimal crash absorption.
Rear quarter panels undergo alignment checks. These curves define the Porsche 911's iconic hips.
Workers use soft mallets and precision blocks to correct micro imperfections. Each gentle
The body shell enters a spray booth, where the underbody is coated with protective material. Multiple spray arms apply texture.
We need a micro adjustment here.
Confirmed. Tapping it through now.
The body shell is suspended above a giant tank containing electrically charged paint primer. Slowly, it lowers.
After emerging from the e-coat bath, the body tilts gently as excess liquid drips off. Fans dry the surface.
The second coat, giving the 911 its depth and signature gloss, is applied. Robotic arms move in synchronized.
A thick clear coat layer is applied for durability and shine. This coat protects the paint against scratches. Processing. Robot-guided honing stones create crosshatch patterns inside each cylinder. This ensures piston rings seat perfectly.
Camshafts rotate inside cutting machines, shaping precise intake and exhaust lobe profiles. These lobes will control the unique breathing rhythm of the flat-six engine.
Technicians install valves, springs, and retainers into the machine cylinder head. Each valve is tested for
Once the engine passes all checks, it receives a stamped approval tag and moves toward chassis integration. The engine glints under factory lights.
The flat six rotates using electric motors without combustion. Sensors read compression levels, oil.
Gear sets for the PDK dual clutch transmission mount inside the casing. Workers install shafts, synchronizers.
while sensors receive one speed.
Double wishbone suspension components attached to front hubs. Struts, control arms, and sway bars mount precisely. Multi-link suspension arms connect to the rear subframe. Workers insert bushings and stabilizer mounts. Everything aligns.
Inside Porsche external system. Processing.
A complete Porsche dashboard takes shape. Touchscreen units, digital clusters, and speaker housings mount in Lourdes.
The main cabin wiring loom routes along the floor tunnel, climbing up behind the dashboard area and branching into door cavities.
The center console is lowered into its position. Installers connect electronic interfaces, securing the frame with concealed bolts.
So bring pelvic porch. Brake, clutch, manual, and accelerator pedals mount onto the firewall supports.
Interior door panels snap onto the pre-mounted metal doors. Fasteners click into place, sealing the cabin acoustically.
A factory battery is installed under the trunk compartment. As power flows through the system, lights turn on.
The entire vehicle passes through a scanning arch that communicates with its systems wirelessly. The car enters a tunnel filled with bright LED patterns. Workers inspect paint reflection, body panel gap.
We're seeing consistent force feedback through the curve.
And the deceleration rate matches the simulation profile.
Okay, fluids are optimal. We are clear here.
Underbody secure. Reinspection complete.
All switches and vents confirmed operational.
Perfect. Final alignment check complete. Ready for processing.
Brake mounts next. Reading 120 Newton meters.
Approved. Moving to engine supports.
a barcode, VIN label, and export documentation attached to the car. Digital systems log the car as factory complete.
VN check complete. Seals intact.
All right, here's your clearance. Have a safe trip.
Back in the factory, raw steel once again arrives, CNC machines whir to life,